First of all, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. From the Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Now, from the left-hand side, select Language. Here you'll see your current Windows display language. If you want to change it, you'll need to add a new language first. Click on the Add a Language button. Now, search for the language you want to install, for example, German. Once you've found it, click on it and then hit Next. Then click Install. Windows will begin downloading the language pack. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you may need to sign out and sign back in for the changes to take effect. You can also go back and change the Windows display language manually by selecting it from the drop-down menu at the top. After signing back in, your system should now be displayed in the new language you selected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.